Yeah, Sambora face. So yeah, because I Chiefs lost like today. I'm not even like wearing the t-shirt right now because now they didn't lost. Why am I saying lost? They actually like drew, but it actually feels like it lost available. If I'm being honest, because like I don't know what was actually happening today. It is not even a thing. You would hear I would be crying about some opportunities that we were having many opportunities. Wara in yabo, and like I even sacrificed like Kasaba of like studying and stuff because of this match, and this is what I actually like get about. Like there was a lot going on. Mr. Mapinald always it is part of the game available, but also not Pinald the power behind it, about the power like the generator behind the ball wasn't like enough, and then again upule mode uyascora makascora omunye ubhuti aqedelela umayo vele yabo, so there was just a lot, it was a mistake and stuff, but I couldn't understand what was actually happening. If we can't classify this yabo as like a voodoo, I don't know then what you can actually classify as a voodoo, because today there was a lot going on, created many opportunities. It is it is the same thing there basically, color again and again and again and again. Lilepo also today came with like wanting more. Yeah, but he came today also wanting like more of like Amako, wanting to create most of our chances, just like last game, just like the last game your two of our games lawa on the, or when we were playing on the Angolan team, he was the type of player Begafuna very more available. And then also now today he was also wanting more also into this game. He was also wanting more available. We were very more of Amanto. Goals and assists there, which is why I believe Utelo was penalty, which is why I believe he was shooting most of the time Goma positions available. He wasn't supposed to shoot at, but I was gonna understand Uguti, like if he was a striker, Uguti, now you can shoot on like more inside the box everywhere in the area. But if you are a winger, one of the most important contributor is that you should make like an assist more than everybody else available. And on today's game, I believe ukuthi like bayangakwazi ukuthi abantu contribute vele ama-assist vele amaningi yabo, but the overall the match actually dominated it. We needed ukuthi vele siwin yabo. Mazulu they got that chance and then they scored, and then also like we could have lost the match if I'm being honest, because there was a time where Amazulu they were on a position, we are on a position when like ama-attackers are yabo, the outnumbering available into defenders. You can't miss that part, which is what Kaizer Chiefs actually did great. And then Amazulu on the last match he intervened the Babula list, because I think it was just 4 visits, so it wasn't even like 4 visits straight, just like the other case around Magulia position there. You can't like ukuthi ungakori le match le, because it is a thing ukuthi man make ama-runs, ama-defenders they don't even know ukuthi bazomaka abantu, because bathi babakalona. It is all about the person ophethe vele iball, ukuthi ma-release vele iball yabo, uzorelease on the right person and stuff. But like the player Lamazula was almost realized to the right person, or he passed the ball to the wrong person vele yabo. And then Kaizer Chiefs told didn't say retrieve vele ball again, so like they had an opportunity to vele basibulale nathi singamakhosi vele. So yeah, but it was a frustrating match if I'm being honest. And then let's talk about Umteto. I'm just gonna like keep on saying this again and again and again. Well, he's the most important player of the course this season. He actually did well even at today. If like we're being honest, he actually did well even at today. And yeah, let's just accept like Umthetho the way corner. I know there are people out there and stuff about and which is actually disrespectful to call another man to call a person that is doing his job, but like first priority yakhe vele defensive midfielder uyenza exceptionally well. Let's talk about how many times did the guy retrieve the ball, how many times did the guy recover a ball, how many times did the guy win ball when they were attacking us. And they called the way it was into ukuthi like bas attack from the middle yabo. It was the thing ukuthi bas attack from mid available we very well side, and then bakora vele malia ndlela liya. But also with defender late, I think it was Inash or it was Quinica, but there was a center back there. I believe ukuthi like bayangafaka more pressure. He could have been more aggressive, but he didn't actually do that. And then yeah, the guy where Amazulu was just walking alone. I feel Harry Ball. So Yeah, man, it is disappointing results. We're losing a game ongamelanga siwaluze, and I just want to talk also about like uMayo, besides ukuthi uye-level waba selfish wafuna ukuthatha ibhola lapha angazi kwenzakalani nabo kuleya situation leya. But first of all, on that situation, I just want to say we kind of needed that thing because he's the guy that is actually hyped and stuff, and they are not hyping him because he actually quality. Uma is actually quality, but there was a thing which like everybody was excited for him. Or even now, unaleyo feeling like I feel like a certain feeling my fans, they are loving him. The stadium, they always chanting his name. I'm not saying that is actually a bad thing, but you end up, I think, so by like the mindset to the greatest out of them all, you cannot deliver wara. But it's the same thing today. If like when Pelé Barcelona, it is there, but I don't want to be speaking. I don't want to be speaking about that really right now, but I'm just gonna focus on this game. It is this into like play into play overall the world. But if like you make a mistake here about that is when like set up you be like okay, let me be composed and do better in this game. Let me not play for myself because in the end they are playing for themselves. The reason my chances are money when he's supposed to assist his stuff is playing for himself. My the reason that I with no reason because he was playing for himself. Also most of my players they are playing for himself, and I just want to see my players available playing in unit like as a team available because we didn't have like a conflicts and stuff and yeah, at least we got a point, but it is not a great result still, but I'm actually feeling sad also. Like, yeah, I'm actually being pissed off right now, but yeah, it took some couple of hours, like at least more and then I'll be able to actually do this video. And yeah, I was still speaking about Tumayo, which like he's a type of a striker. It was like say like the first touch. Also, I was boy really say like quality to cheat about yellow abanale mistake Liana, and I hope we recover from that. I hope we are working on recovering. Actually, had a beautiful game. If we keep on like playing like this, so like okay, we'll finish on a good position, and let's not compare ourselves with like ama teams stuff. Actually give isingafakeli coach pressure and stuff, and I hope to you all out there who are speaking about now my assistant coaches they are gonna do better. This is just the same thing alone now about it was the thing which sometimes about my results our poor me, and right now I hope seeing about what it happens, things like that. And yeah, ngiyamthanda bafethu. I'ma see you on my man of the match. It is Nyambo Somkhulu. Thethwa. Danko.